Hope you're doing good. Well, guys, you know what? It's really disturbing to know that every day the cases are increasing drastically. But guys, did you even think what could be the reason? One of the reasons for increase in cases? Guys, it's because of traveling outskirts. Traveling out of the city. Well, guys, if you know that we are currently in community transmission, how would you respond? Yes, guys, as per the news, we are currently trending in stage 3, that is community transmission. If you remember my initial videos, I've actually described on 4 stages, right? What are they? First one is imported cases. Second one is local transmission. Third one is community transmission. Exactly, guys. It is really heartbreaking to know that we are currently in third stage, that is community transmission, where the virus can be spread through things and not only by people. Guys, if you have ever thought, what do you mean by virus being spread through things? Exactly. Guys, this virus can actually be spread through things like, anywhere. For example, if you're traveling, if you're going in lift, and if you touch that lift buttons, even there the virus can be there. Through that also it can be spread. Not only that, guys, even in handles, doorknobs, everywhere. But the unfortunate thing is, because of being panicked, what we are ending up doing is, we are just rushing to our hometowns so that we can at least spend, we can at least be along with our family members. But do you know what? By doing that, we are ending up being victims of it, guys. Exactly. So do you want to know how are we being victims? Hold on, guys. Let me give you a small picture on what is happening nowadays. Okay. So because of rise in cases and because of so many ups and downs that are happening nowadays, of course, there are so many other businesses which are being shut down as there is no income or no revenue. So what are people doing? Okay, now anyways, there is no income or no revenue. What is the point of being here and just paying those rents and bills? What they are doing is they're just moving out. By taking public transport and by traveling out of city, going to their hometowns in public transport. In this way, it is even causing more in number of cases. How? Well, guys, when we are using public transport, obviously we will end up touching all those things, right? Like it can be handles, it can be chairs, the seat covers, everything. So obviously we do not know who has traveled earlier. So we may end up being a victim of it. And unfortunately, what happens is we are actually touching it with our hands and accidentally we're touching our face. So as you all know, we should not touch our face, right? This is a crucial stage and this is very crucial because it is third stage, guys. Community transmission, where the virus can be spread through things and not just people. So guys, it becomes even more tougher for people to trace from where the person is being infected. So guys, let us all be very careful and minimize traveling. For example, if you say, okay dear, but what if we have to go to offices? What about that? Guys, traveling within city is okay, but if you are going out of the city, that is out of the town, by using public transport, that is when the cases are increasing day by day because of the few accidental things that we end up doing with us. Exactly, guys, we end up touching those things and we end up touching our face accidentally, unknowingly, and because of that the virus is being spread and we are becoming victims. So let us all be very careful, guys. Try to minimize traveling, that is going out of the towns. Even if you have to go on an emergency basis, try to opt for private transportation rather than public transportation. So you may ask me, okay, I'm not having any private transportation. What about that? Guys, even if you're going through public transportation, please make use of those shield covers, masks, keep a sanitizer with you, a small sanitizer with you. Try to sanitize your hand every now and then. Instead of once in an hour, do it once in half an hour, that is once in 30 minutes, and just maintain social distancing. The more we take care of ourselves, the more we can protect the society and protect our loved and near ones. So guys, let me give an example. Once what happened was, just few days back, what I got to know was there were a few people obviously in panic, what they did was, okay, this of no use. If I have to stay in the city, I have to bear a lot of bills. It's better I go back to my hometown. Then what they did, they went back. Well, they have actually used the public transportation, guys. And you know what? Accidentally, probably they would have touched their face, and the coronavirus has hit them. They became victims. Unknowingly, after they reached home, everything was fine. But after a week point of time, they have noticed that they were victims of coronavirus. Now imagine what would happen to the loved ones where they went. Now obviously they have ended up passing on this virus to the loved ones also, right? So guys, let us not be the victims. Let us be careful. Follow SMS very regularly. That is sanitize, mask and social distancing. Guys, the reason why I'm stressing much is because it's community transmission, guys, and this is a phase where we have to be very, very careful. If you would have seen other countries during this stage, this has been neglected and it has passed on to the millions of people, and they have even been the victim of death. So let us not do the same mistake, guys, and let us be careful. Well, there are so many people at home, elders, kids, and who are more prone, wherein the immunity system can be weaker than the normal people. So let us keep that in mind and tell them. For example, if our family members or if our relatives are saying, hey, why don't you just come down, we want to meet you, or if someone has hosted a party, or if someone has started inviting you for marriage and all those, tell them, see, the count is only 50 that you have to invite. However, we will try. But then guys, I would suggest is tell them to avoid as much as possible. Keep it very minimum count. If you think that okay, these dates are going to pass by, we have to get this occasion done, it has to be it has to be conducted, then do one thing. Tell them, conduct it at your place, go live, give that link to us, we will see. But let us not be the victim, guys. It's okay, what if we go there and we end up getting coronavirus? Who would be responsible? Are they or are we? We have to take care of ourselves, right? No one would be responsible for others' health. Exactly. So my only request is, please take care of yourself. This is community transmission, and this week, I think for at least 14 days, 2 weeks is very crucial. So let us not take any sort of risk or any sort of step which can increase the virus. Let us not be the victims, and let us not be the reason for increase in cases, guys. Exactly. We should understand that this is a crucial stage and we have to help each other, help our loved ones, and tell them, hey buddy, please understand, for the next 14 days, stay home, stay safe, do not travel, do not go out of city. Even if you have to travel, please follow all the measures. Do not touch your face at any cost. Yes guys, it is restricted to touch our face at any cost. Please use shields, face masks, sanitizer, whatsoever, and try to minimize traveling. And this is my personal request, because I have seen many of my known friends who are being victims of this coronavirus just because they have traveled out of the city, guys. Exactly. They have traveled out of the city and they have been victims, and I'm really afraid. Yes, see, everyone knows that we have to take care of ourselves. But guys, who knows that how this coronavirus is going to react? As you know, this is novel coronavirus and it keeps changing its characteristics now and then. So it's pretty obvious, right? Even asymptomatic is also there. Now how would we know? Even though we take n number of precautions, what if the other person's immunity system is weak? What can we do? So guys, please do not be a reason for spreading of coronavirus and do not be a victim of it. My only request is this 14 days, be very careful, stay home, stay safe, do not travel. If we travel, we are being victims. If we travel, we are being the reason for the spread of virus. So please be very careful, cautious. Prevention is better than cure. Do not travel, do not travel, do not travel out of the city. This is community transmission, third stage. Guys, please be careful. Only now, if we take good care, the rest of the year or the rest of the life, we can be happy. If we neglect this tough moment, then trust me, we would be regretting for what we have done now. So let us not regret for our own actions. So please be cautious, careful, and tell your friends in case if they are traveling, in case if they are seeing you, hey, can you please come down to my place? I'm feeling lonely. Tell them, buddy, this is not the time for traveling. This is the time to stay safe, stay home, and be careful. It's okay for a week or two. If we are alone at home, we will at least be alive, guys. But just because if you want to go travel, go visit them, go out celebrate, then trust me, we will have to regret for the rest of the life. So let us not regret, but let us be happy, and let us be happy that we are not going to be the reason for the spread of virus, and we are not going to be the victim of it. I hope you got the message. Guys, please stay home, stay safe. This is third stage, community transmission. Kindly do not travel. And one of the reasons for increase in number of cases is because of traveling. I hope you got the message. Thank you so much. Stay safe and bye.